Hi everyone, James here from WildJar. Here to show you our brand new dashboard, give you a run through, a quick demo, and we're super excited to show you today on what we have in store. So first of all, what is WildJar? So WildJar is an AI call tracking and intelligence platform. It shows you exactly where your phone leads are coming from, so you can then optimize campaigns and make better marketing decisions. By using different tracking phone numbers, our advanced dynamic number insertion on your website, WildJar can tell you exactly which campaigns, including the source, the medium, and even down to the keyword that made your phone ring. All this tied in with call recording, advanced AI call intelligence will give your sales and performance teams the insights they need to close more revenue over the phone. Right, let's jump in. So you can see the main dashboard when you log in. You see your total call stats from either your account from your business or whether you've got an agency account as well. The top right today will show you is really the aha moment. So here you can toggle by dark mode as well. But really what we want to do is create a new account, dental practice. You can select your country, which will select the time zones. We have our most frequently used, Sydney, and category here. We're actually a healthcare dental. Hit create. Big tick there. So once that's created, you get your account number, and what we want to do is configure a brand new tracking number. The new search function here, so you can select by the area. You can select different area codes if we've got them. We also allow multi-select as well. So brand new feature where we can actually configure order multiple numbers in real time rather than single one by one. All looks good, hit confirm, yep, proceed. And then what it'll do is take us straight to the call routing, call flow. Here, a simple answer point as a destination number, turn on call recording, you can do URL, or it's full text-to-speech, timeout, so how many seconds before we want it to hang up, call whisper, call from Google Ads, and a voicemail as well. So you can leave a voicemail here. We can go all calls, or you can actually send. You can send by email or you can send by SMS as well. Advanced flow, we have our advanced flow here. It's basically drag and drop onto the flow, and you can base by dragging and dropping the overflow actions on where we want to go. So for here, this is just a simple call comes in. It's a simple answer point that we want it to dial to. Turn call recording on. You can give it a name, hit save. Same for a voicemail here too. But really what the advanced call flow is for creating complex IVR. So once you reset, I'm just going to drag onto my call flow, drag into the IVR. And for this, I'm just going to drag down 2 transfers there, so they're done. Drag and drop down 2 new voicemails. You can drag them here. And then we also want to remember to drag them to hang up here. Okay. And that's how you really configure a simple IVR. Press 1, press 2, and go through. We can also drag in a time-based route, and it can be really complex as well. Now, once the call flow is done, you can go over to dynamic insertion. So for our smiledental.com, hit configure. Now here, this is where you configure. You can copy and paste your code that'll fire on the website. It can go into Google Tag Manager. Super easy to paste in there. And then we just need to configure the numbers. So for this example, all you need to do is we do a find and replace for the number on the website. So if your number on the website was let's call it a local phone number, presented there, and you wanted, remember we ordered that paid number, and we would like to track just paid activity, then anytime this number appears on the website, we'll actually replace it with the 0324 number we just ordered. Configurations to say if it's Google, add different numbers. Okay, here's a UK number, and we can just choose to switch it all traffic with a UK phone number that we've configured. Once you hit save and the snippet, the code is firing on the website, everything's good to go and you're all set up. We can see that in the calls we have our reports. You can go into time of day reports. You can go into your web attribution to see where your calls are coming from, the source, the medium, what pages are driving calls they're landing on versus what pages are converting on. Your call attribution, call duration, highly important missed call reports, the busiest time of hour. And finally, we have our call log. And here you can essentially see all your calls coming in, the time and date. Here, if they're a first-time caller, you can see, you can tag them and you can give them a score directly here. If they've got an IVR, so they press 1 for sales inquiry, and also the source medium. You can also pull it up and get more information, see the call recording, the source and medium, the landing page, and which page they're converting from to. You have the full notes section, and we also have the ability to block caller for spam protection. We also have a full SMS inbox, bulk campaigns and reports, all the integrations you could think of, integrating our data into third-party platforms. From here, from your admin panel, you can create users, you can completely white label. Here you can change all the options and be right on brand, change your logos, and update everything exactly how you would like your dashboard on your own URL structure. WildJar, we're built for agencies, and we really help agencies understand what makes their customers' phone ring. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some great insights from our platform. There's a ton of more features coming, and there's a ton of more features that I didn't even run through. So if you'd like a proper demo, please reach out, book in our calendars. We can't wait to show you what we have.